Thinking about purchasing the possible iPhone mobile finance app? Well, here are 12 things you need to know before you make that decision. Stay tuned till the end to see how it compares to the competition. First, let's talk about its user interface. The app is sleek and easy to navigate, perfect for someone who doesn't want to spend time figuring out complex layouts. It's straightforward and provides a smooth experience right from the start. Unlike some competitors that have a steeper learning curve, Possible keeps it simple and efficient. Next thing, the account setup. When you first open the app, it asks for a quick setup with just a few basic steps, saving you time. This is one area where it shines compared to some of its competitors that require extensive paperwork or too much information up front. The third thing to consider is the range of financial tools it offers. From budgeting to expense tracking, it's a well-rounded app that covers almost everything you need to manage your finances in one place. However, other apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, might have more robust budgeting options depending on your needs. Now the fourth thing, Possible's credit score tracking. It's easy to check your credit score directly in the app, but compared to more established players like Credit Karma, it lacks some of the deeper insights and features they offer for monitoring and improving your credit score over time. The fifth thing is the ease of linking external accounts. Linking your bank accounts and credit cards to the app is a breeze, and it pulls all your financial information automatically. However, some users have reported occasional syncing issues with certain banks, which isn't something you'll often find with apps like Pocket Guard. Next thing, the budgeting feature. While Possible gives you the option to set up budgets, it doesn't have as many customizations as some other apps, like YNAB, which allows more flexibility for different budget categories. If you're looking for something more granular, you might want to explore other apps. The seventh thing is the savings goals feature. You can set up personalized savings goals with Possible, and it will help track your progress. This is a solid feature, but some competitors offer more detailed goal-setting tools, including automated saving options. Next up, Possible's investment tracking. It's decent for tracking your stocks and portfolio performance, but if you're a more serious investor, apps like Personal Capital might give you deeper insights with advanced analytics and retirement planning. The ninth thing to keep in mind is security. Possible does a good job with security features, including two-factor authentication. However, apps like Mint offer more security options, like multi-device login, which might provide additional peace of mind for some users. Now the 10th thing, customer support. This is where Possible could use improvement. While the support team is responsive, some users report slower response times compared to competitors like Pocket Guard, where customer support tends to be faster. The 11th thing is the premium version. Possible offers a premium version with added features, but it's a bit more expensive than some of its competitors, like Mint, which offers a lot of its services for free. The 12th and final thing is the overall value. Possible is a good option for those who need a simple finance app that covers the basics. But if you're looking for more detailed features, deeper budgeting tools, or stronger customer support, you might find better value in competitors. All in all, Possible is a solid finance app that does a lot of things well. However, if you want a better option that provides more comprehensive features and flexibility, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see how it compares for yourself.